Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to check your GiffGaff phone number. So if you also want to check your GiffGaff phone number, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your GiffGaff application, or you can also launch open any browser of your choice and search for giffgaff.com. You can see over here GiffGaff is open. So if you want to know your phone number is basically the number that you use while you log into your account. So now if you want to check the alternative phone number, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here under the account settings, you'll be able to see the option for personal details. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface and you'll be able to see your personal details over here. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option for alternative phone number. If you have added any alternative phone number, it will be shown over here. If you want to add the alternative phone number, all you have to do is tap on the open option that you can see right next to alternative phone number. And from here you'll be able to add the alternative phone number. So that is how you check your GiffGaff phone number. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.